Thank you very, very much. It's a great honor. It's great to have this award being available and spotlight on European technology companies. And it's also very nice to receive recognition, not only from the partners we work with, but also from the European ecosystem. I'm Ingeborg, and I'm the CFO and Chief Strategy Officer at Huma. I've been with Huma for the last 18 months. I've joined the team to scale the company and bring digital-first care and research to as many patients, participants, health systems around the world as possible. We're working on a big mission. Digital technology has a lot that it can do for healthcare. And that's why I joined. I've spent all of my time in healthcare. I was previously CFO of a surgical robotics business, gone through that scaling journey from being a company pre-market approval to being a larger company, raising large amounts of capital, setting up in many countries, growing the number of people. And I absolutely love that journey, and that's why I joined Huma, to be part of its mission. So Huma was founded over 10 years ago, really focused on how digital technology can help bring better care to patients. And it's taken some time to get there. It's not easy to bring technology into healthcare. We've really seen that take off first, seeing a little bit before COVID. COVID came, was a big accelerator. And then it's been working with different partners to help accelerate it. We really think we need to have a movement behind this. It's not something that one company is doing. Our investors, our partners, some of the largest pharma companies in the world, some of the largest health systems in the world, we work with in order to do that. And it's the partnerships that have brought us to where we are today. Of course, we have fantastic technology, great people, access to capital, all of these ingredients you need to have. But I don't think you can change how healthcare is delivered also without fantastic partners that we're working with. Unicorn is really not something that we focus on. We focus on the impact that we have on patients. So you can see my T-shirt, the 27 million or so patients that we have touched. Our focus is really on bringing the reach to the largest number of people. If you have a solution that does something which is valuable, brings better outcomes to patients, brings efficiency to health systems, brings convenience, then you will do well as a company if you have the right ingredients. Growing fast is really hard, and it is always across multiple dimensions, serving many different customers with different needs, growing the number of people within the company, doing that across a number of geographies. This is really hard, and by no means are we experts or get all of that right. We make a lot of mistakes along the way. The important thing is to learn from it, to get better. A lot of it is about simple things like communication, getting the right team together, and really focusing on the most important problems that need to be solved. There are many reasons for success. I'll probably highlight again our partners, those who believed in us in the early days. Strangely, it gets easier the bigger you get, the more recognition and visibility there is. But the early days, those who believed in us then, likes of Bayer Pharmaceutical, Smith & Nephew, AstraZeneca, some of the other investors along the way, that have worked with us, those are the true pioneers that changed the course of the company, and I think it's been really important to the success. Of course, we often come back to also people, the capital and the technology. Those are ingredients that you have to have, but we wouldn't be successful without the partners we worked with. I think I'm not myself an entrepreneur. I have joined Huma to help scale, and I work with an incredibly talented and visionary entrepreneur and founder there. You really need to have a lot of grit and perseverance, and you still do it at this stage. Doing it is never easy. It always feels hard. Surrounding yourself with people that you like working with. Therefore, having a team that makes it enjoyable and that you can work with even when it's really tough and you're going through the most difficult times, because they will always be there. It looks easy on the outside to be successful, but behind there is always a lot of hard work and really difficult times to navigate. So it's about how you have the grit and ability to navigate it.